Happy Makar Sankranti to everybody and happy Pongal. Today's question on astrology is about Kala Sarpa Dosha and Guru Sandala Yoga. This Kala Sarpa Dosha is not explained in old astrology texts. Maybe later years, people have developed some concepts on Kala Sarpa Dosha because when planets get entangled within the axis of Rahu and Ketu, the planets are not behaving on their free will. This is the assumption made by the astrologers. And if Kala Sarpa Dosha predictions are coming true or not is a big $1 million question, because in some cases the predictions are not working as predicted. But at the same time, this Kala Sarpa Dosha is considered as one of the most concerning doshas. And it is claimed that this dosha is a result of one's past deeds or karma. And it is claimed that this dosha in any horoscope may create hurdles and delays across different aspects of individuals' life, such as career, love, marriage, health, and etc. etc. This Kala Sarpa Dosha is formed when all the planets are in between Rahu and Ketu. The problem is when these planets, excluding Rahu and Ketu, such as Lagna, Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, are handling a particular area like wealth, happiness, children, disease, household, age, fortune, karma, profit, love, expenditure, etc. When these planets are getting trapped in between the nodes called Rahu and Ketu, they are not giving their results. But in my experience, I have found that if the planets are placed in their own house or in their exalted location or in their friendly house, they definitely give good results, irrespective of the Kala Sarpa Dosha. It is claimed there are about 12 Kala Sarpa Doshas are there in the horoscope. When Rahu is present in Lagna and Ketu in 7th house, it is called Ananda Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is placed in 2nd house and Ketu in 8th house, it is called Kulik Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is in 3rd and Ketu is in 9th, it is called Vasuki Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is in 4th and Ketu sits in 10th, it is Shankapala Kala Sarpa Dosha. And when Rahu is in 5th house and Ketu is in 11th house, it is called Padam Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is in 6th house and Ketu is in 12th house, it is very good. It is Mahapadma Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is placed in 7th house and Ketu is in Lagna, it is Takshak Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Ketu is in 2nd house and Rahu is in 8th house, it is Karkodaka Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Ketu is placed in 12th house and Rahu in 6th house, it is called Shankachur Kala Sarpa Dosha. When Rahu is placed in 10th house and Ketu is in 4th house, it is called Ghataka Kala Sarpa Dosha. And when Rahu is in 11th house and Ketu is in 5th house, it is called Vishuddhara Kala Sarpa Dosha. And when Rahu is present in 12th house and Ketu sits in the 6th house, it is Sheshanaha Kala Sarpa Dosha. Normally, for this Kala Sarpa Dosha, some special pujas are being done because people are afraid of this Kala Sarpa Dosha. But I have seen many people who are very, very successful, even though their chart is a Kala Sarpa Dosha chart. Normally, people who have this Kala Sarpa Dosha, it is better for them to get married after 32 years. The next one is Guru Chandala Yoga. When Guru and Rahu are in the same Rashi, it is called Guru Chandala Yoga. This Guru Chandala Yoga is a very complicated yoga because Guru is for spirituality and Rahu is for lust. Both of them are not joining together. So, it is definitely affecting the person's behavior pattern because there is a clash between spirituality and lust. But if this yoga occurs in places where Guru is strong, it is not causing much harm. But where places when it happens where places where Rahu is strong, like Rahu placed in Mithunam and Rahu placed in Kanni and Rahu is placed in Kumbha, definitely it is causing lot of problem to the individual. So the best remedial action for Guru Chandala Yoga is to offer prayers at Guruvayur temple. Thank you, friends. We will discuss another topic when the next question comes to us. Happy Pongal, happy Makara Sankranti. Stay safe and stay happily.